In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkboxes in Google Sheets. Adding checkboxes can greatly enhance your spreadsheet organization and functionality, making it easier to track tasks, manage project progress, or even manage simple checklists for personal use. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of adding these handy checkboxes to your Google Sheets. First, make sure you have your Google Sheets document open and ready. The initial step is to highlight the cells where you want to insert the checkboxes. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells in your sheet. If you're looking to apply checkboxes to non-contiguous cells, simply hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac, and then select the individual cells you desire. This feature is flexible, allowing you to add checkboxes to a single cell, a full row, or even a large cluster of cells, depending on your specific needs. Once you have your cells selected, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of your screen and click on the Insert option. This menu hosts a variety of useful tools and features that can enhance your spreadsheet functionality. Upon clicking Insert, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, your next task is to find and click on the checkbox option. This is where the magic happens. As soon as you select Checkbox, Google Sheets will automatically insert checkboxes into all of the cells you previously highlighted. It's that simple. Each checkbox is a clickable element that can be checked or unchecked at your convenience. This feature is especially useful for managing to-do lists, tracking attendance, or marking off completed tasks with just a click. Now, you might be wondering why this feature is so valuable. Well, using checkboxes can convert your basic spreadsheet into a dynamic tool for organizing complex information. For example, imagine managing a project timeline where each checkbox represents a task's completion status. Simply ticking off items as they're completed provides a visual indication of progress, ensuring everyone involved stays on track. To keep things neat and organized, you can also combine these checkboxes with conditional formatting. This means when a checkbox is ticked, additional formatting, like highlighting or strike-through, can be applied to the row, adding an extra layer of clarity. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding checkboxes in Google Sheets. By following these steps, you can leverage the full potential of this feature, improving both functionality and appearance of your spreadsheets. Enjoy the seamless experience and the ease of task management that checkboxes offer. Don't forget to explore the flexibility this tool provides and integrate it with other Google Sheets features for maximum productivity. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy spreadsheeting!